Winter 2026 is upon us, and for many, it brings the familiar challenges: colder temperatures, shorter days, and the increased likelihood of catching seasonal colds or flu. Our immune systems naturally slow down in winter, and combined with indoor heating, less sunlight, and stress, we are more vulnerable than we might think. But the good news is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to protect yourself. Some of the most effective immunity boosters are right in your kitchen's simple, everyday ingredients that have been used for centuries to support health. Today, we're going to explore these unexpected staples, explain why they work, and show how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum protection this winter. Let's start with garlic, a humble kitchen ingredient with incredible immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the severity and duration of colds. But here's the secret: the way you prepare garlic matters. Crushing or chopping garlic activates its beneficial compounds. Adding it raw to soups, salad dressings, or even scrambled eggs in the morning is a simple way to include it in your diet. For those who find raw garlic too strong, lightly sauteing it preserves many of its benefits while giving your dishes rich flavor. Think of garlic as your winter shield. It might smell strong, but its protective powers are even stronger. Next up is ginger, a warming root that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Ginger is not only anti-inflammatory, but also supports digestion and helps fight off respiratory infections. A simple daily ritual is to make ginger tea. Slice fresh ginger, boil it in water for 10 to 15 minutes, and add a spoon of honey and a dash of lemon. Drinking this tea in the morning or before bed can soothe your throat, reduce inflammation, and give your body a gentle immune boost. You can also grate ginger into stir-fries, soups, or oatmeal. The warming effect of ginger is particularly helpful during winter, as it improves circulation and keeps your body temperature comfortable. Then there's turmeric, often called the golden root, for its bright color and incredible health benefits. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can support your immune system. Turmeric is fat-soluble, which means it works best when paired with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil and black pepper, which increases absorption. You can add turmeric to soups, roasted vegetables, scrambled eggs, or even make a warm golden milk drink before bed. Turmeric not only supports immunity, but also helps reduce joint stiffness and fatigue, making it a powerful ally for seniors and adults, alike during cold months. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are classic winter favorites, and for good reason. They're rich in vitamin C, which supports white blood cell production, strengthens immunity, and helps your body fight infections. A simple habit is to squeeze fresh lemon into warm water every morning. This helps hydrate your body, supports digestion, and gives you a gentle vitamin C boost. You can also snack on slices of orange or grapefruit, or add them to salads for a refreshing winter twist. Pairing vitamin C-rich foods with foods containing zinc, like seeds or nuts, can further enhance immune function. Honey is another kitchen staple with remarkable benefits. Beyond its sweetness, honey contains antioxidants and natural antimicrobial compounds. It's especially soothing for sore throats and coughs. A spoonful of honey in warm tea or drizzled over oatmeal can provide comfort and protection at the same time. Raw honey, in particular, retains more of its medicinal properties, so look for unprocessed varieties whenever possible. Honey also has mild anti-inflammatory effects, which can help your body recover faster from minor illnesses. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut are essential for gut health, which is closely tied to immunity. About 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, and probiotics in fermented foods help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Including a small serving of yogurt with breakfast or snacking on sauerkraut with lunch can strengthen your first line of defense. Fermented foods also improve digestion and nutrient absorption, meaning your body can better use the vitamins and minerals from all the foods you eat. Mushrooms, particularly shiitake, maitake, and reishi, are another unexpected immune booster. They contain beta-glucans, compounds that enhance the activity of your immune cells. You can include mushrooms in soups, broths, or stir-fries. Even a simple mushroom broth, simmered with herbs like thyme or rosemary, can be a comforting and immune-strengthening drink during cold winter days. Mushrooms are also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and support overall wellness. In addition to these staples, the way you structure your daily routines can make a big difference. Start your day with a warm tea made of ginger, turmeric, and lemon. Include a small serving of fermented foods at lunch or breakfast. Cook soups with garlic, herbs, and mushrooms for dinner, and use honey or citrus for natural flavor and immune support. Consistency is key. Daily small doses of these foods will protect your immune system far better than occasional indulgence. Winter immunity isn't just about food. Lifestyle habits complement these kitchen staples beautifully. Short walks outside, even in winter, expose you to sunlight and support vitamin D production. Light indoor exercises improve circulation and help your body respond quickly to infections. Adequate hydration is crucial. Warm teas, broths, and water keep your body functioning optimally. And never underestimate the power of sleep. A well-rested immune system is more effective at detecting and fighting pathogens. Stress management is also important. Meditation, deep breathing, or even cozy reading by the fireplace can reduce stress hormones that suppress immunity. Finally, it's important to address common myths. No single food is a magic cure. Rather, it's the combination of nutrient-rich foods and healthy habits that creates a strong immune system. Balance raw and cooked foods to maximize nutrient intake. Limit sugar and processed foods, as excess sugar can suppress immunity. And remember, while kitchen staples can support your health, they are not substitutes for vaccines or medical care. Winter 2026 doesn't have to be a season of colds, fatigue, and illness. By incorporating garlic, ginger, turmeric, mushrooms, citrus fruits, honey, and fermented foods into your daily routine, along with mindful lifestyle habits, you can give your immune system the support it needs. Small, consistent actions like daily teas, soups, and healthy snacks will keep you resilient, energized, and thriving throughout the season. Start today and let your kitchen become your winter wellness hub. Stay warm, stay nourished, and let these natural allies guard your immunity all season long.